Hi, I thought I'd make a quick video on where to find open courses for summer 2020. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Beth Wheeler. I'm the Director of High School Programs at the Boulder County campus for Front Range Community College. And that means that I direct the programs Falcon Tech and College Now. So if you want to take classes online in summer 2020, you need to go to Being a Student. You notice I'm at the frontrange.edu website, so this is the home page, and you notice I'm hovering my mouse on Being a Student, and you'll see the second selection says Register for Classes. So if you go here, the Register for Classes page, you're going to want to click on See Classes. You notice this is under summer and fall classes schedules available. On the search term page, you want to choose summer 2020. And at this point, you will want to select a course you're interested. So your course you're interested in taking, excuse me. So please, I'm just going to, for an example, use math. Select the subject that you're looking for, history or English or math, whatever class you want to take. And then I wouldn't put a number here. It sometimes makes the search not work. And so I'm just going to scroll down. If this is a regular semester where it's not already all online because of things like coronavirus, you can select which campus you're taking your course at. But since everything's online for summer 2020, I'm going to skip that step and just click on class search. And so notice it lists the math class and the section number, and this is the CRN number that you need. So in order to, let's say I want to take Math 121, I have to scroll down a little ways to find where the Math 121 classes start. And it looks like I have to scroll a little bit more. When you ask for all, it is listing all the math classes that are being offered. So 121 will start showing up. Here we go. First section is here. Math 121, section 500. In order to find out if the class is open, if you click on the link, it shows you how many seats there are, how many students are enrolled, how many are remaining. So this is an example of a section you could not register for. So what you pretty much have to do is go through. Now I did hit the back button. I'm going to go through the next one and see if section 501 has any seats. This one is also full. I'm going to go to 502. This one's full. So you see what I'm doing, looking for sections that are open here. This one is also full, section 503. Okay, so you're going to do this until you find a section. Here's one, Math 121, section 504 has one seat remaining. So I could now log into eWolf if I wanted to. You notice this is an eWolf screen, but if I want to register now, oh, let me get my screen number. I'm sorry, my CRN. We said 504 had an opening. I would need to remember this section here. I'm going to copy and paste it so that I have my CRN. I have that copied into a Post-it note, or I could write it down on a piece of paper. I just want to double check that's the one I needed that had one seat. Absolutely it was. And now I can go to eWolf. I'm going to scroll back to the top of the page. Sorry, I'm scrolling in this video, but this is kind of how it works right now. I'm going to go back to the tab that has the blue banner at the top so I can access eWolf and log in and register for the class. And I'll just very quickly show you how to register for the class. So when you log into eWolf, you need your S number and your password. Please remember at the portal to log into eWolf, there is a reset password link, so you can reset your password yourself. If you need help resetting your password, please don't hesitate to email me. I'll type my email for you so you can do that after the video if you need to. It's Beth Wheeler, beth.wheeler@frontrange.edu. Okay, so let me just show you how to do that. I'm already logged in. You're going to click from the dashboard in eWolf, you're going to click Add Drop Classes. You're going to select, I want to take a class for summer 2020. And then you're going to add that 5-digit number 72062, if that's the one I'm going to register for, just as an example. You're going to need that CRN that you need for the course you want to register for. You enter it into one of the rectangles, all 5 digits, and then you're going to click submit changes, and you should be registered for the class. If you have any holds on your account, please also email me so that I can help you with the holds. I can identify what the hold is and give and help you out in some way with instructions for clearing the hold, or I'll be able to clear the hold for you. And again, my name is Beth Wheeler, and there's my email address up here at the top, beth.wheeler@frontrange.edu. All right, let me know if you have any questions, email me, and good luck getting registered for your class. Take care.